Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum.
Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course 2, grammar, broken plurals and passive voice with page 5, pointer D. And this gonna be the last lesson of the second course. So after this, inshallah, we're gonna start the third one. Course number 3.
No.
Okay, so did you answer the Google quiz?
Yes.
In this lesson, revision of broken plurals. Arabic words are three types. Are of three types. You remember there is fail harf. Is has some signs. Like you can recognize the word that this is fail, this is harf. If there is al at the beginning and tanween, dhammatain, fathatain, kasratain at the end, and u in at. So most probably that is ism, noun. And noun is called a name, attributes of something, person, place, etc. As you know well, mashallah. And fi'l, verb, tells us about an action, like fataha, ya'malun in Arab, in English. He does, they do, he runs, he went. Like harf, particle, joins nouns and or verbs, like be, fi, and in English like up, on, in, under, etc. Two types of plurals, solid plurals. Add vav, nun, ya, nun at the end, like muslimun, muslimun, muslimin, and salih. Add vav, nun will be salihun, and add ya, nun at the end. In the case of fatha and kasra, remember, if your noun, if your ism in Arabic, every time there will be a case, like that is in the case of rafa, in the case of jar, in the case of nasab, in the case of fatha, kasra, dhamma. So if that is marfu, you have to add vav, nun. And if that is in the case of marfu, mansub and majroor, means nasab and jar, means fatha and kasra, there will be ya, nun at the end, like muslimin. Solid plurals, like muslim, muslimun, muslimin, mu'min, mu'minun, mu'minin, salih, salihun, salihin. Okay. Broken plurals, there is no solid, perfect, complete rule to make a plural of a singular. I mean, it can be anything. Like amal, the plural is amal. Qalb, the plural is qulub. Ism, the plural is asma. Like there is a chain of haraka also. In ism, in wahid, there is kasra under hamza. And asma, there is fatha upon the hamza. And also, just have a look that amal, alif and hamza at the beginning, and in the middle, before the lam, there is alif. Added two letters. It was ain mim lam, and in plural it is amal. Hamza and alif are added. In qalb, just waw before ba is added, and the change of haraka also there. It became qulub. Ism became asma. So that's why it is called broken plurals. Got it, my brother?
Yes.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah, you have always this face, mashallah. No worry about it. Yeah. Broken plural has many styles. Here we will revise some of them. Amal, a'mal. Amal is wahid and jama'uhu a'mal. Means amal is singular, its plural is a'mal. And the example, innamal a'malu bin niyat. Amal are a'mal, actions are based on the intentions. Basar is singular, the plural is absar. Example, وَعَلَىٰ أَبْصَارِهِمْ غِشَاوَةٌ. مثل أمثال مثلهم كمثل الذي استوقد نارا. نور أنوار ذهب الله بنورهم.
نعم.
أذن آذان يجعلون أصابعهم في آذانهم. ند أنداد فلا تجعلوا لله أندادا. نهر أنهار أن لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار. زوج أزواج ولهم فيها أزواج مطهرة. لب is واحد and the جمع is الباب ليدبروا آياته وليتذكر أولو الألباب. رب the Almighty Allah, the sustainer, cherisher, and arbab is the plural. Arbab. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So arbab is the plural.
No.
Sometimes the word Rab is used for other meanings, so we could be in need to use arbab word. Okay. Qalam, أقلام الذي علم بالقلم. فوج أفواج ورأيت الناس يدخلون في دين الله أفواجا. يوم أيام مالك يوم الدين. ميت أموات وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم. شيء أشياء إن الله على كل شيء قدير. اسم واحد and جمعه أسماء. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Bismillah, it was in fact bi-ismi, but the Hamza is Hamzatul Wasl, not Asl. I mean, it's not the Hamza, it's sometime it disappears and sometime it appears. So that's why it is called Hamzatul Wasl. Just to connect, we have to use it. We have ba and haraka kasra under it, so no need to say Hamza there, and it's skipped and also disappeared. Simultaneously skipped and disappeared. So Bismillahir Rahman. Adubun, Ada, Ba'dukum li Ba'din Adub. Okay, Abd, Ibad, Assalamu alayna wa ala ibadillahi salihin. From Tahiyyat Dua. Dam, Dima, wa yasfiku Dima. Okay, so it was first type, and now second type, Abd, Ibad, Dam, Dima. And the third type examples, Qalb, Qulub, Sadr, Sudur, Malik, Muluk. And the examples are Shaheed, Shuhada. Okay, Rahim, Ruhama, Sharik, Shuraka, Safid, Sufaha. Okay, and fifth type, Nafs, Anfus. Sixth type, Sa'iqatun, Sawa'iq. There is ta, this round shaped ta at the end, but the plural is not with alif ta. The plural has the other type, Sawa'iq. Nabiyyun, Anbiya, Uqdatun, Uqad, Suratun, Suwar, Khalifa, Khalaif, Insan, Anasi, Unas, Hajar. The plural is Hijara, Waquduha an-nas wal Hijara. Okay, translate into Arabic. Ra'd, thunder claps. Bruq, Sa'iqa, Sawa'iq.
Sawa'iq.
Okay, Sawa'iq is the answer, mashallah, perfect. Hal tajri al-anhar? The answer is
Nam tajri al-anhar.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Okay, translate Azwajum Mutahhara.
Azwajum Mutahhara.
Yes. Purified.
Purifies for purify.
Okay. Tell me A, B, C, D.
C, D.
C and D.
Yes.
Wrong answer. See this one. Purified spouses.
Or purifies.
Okay. Plural of nafs. Plural of nafs.
Nafs, C.
Anfus, mashallah, anfus and nufus, perfect. Passive voice, almost 2 times on every page. Nasara, yansuru, okay, nasara, nasaru, nasarta, nasartum. We have done it many times, alhamdulillah. Okay, passive voice. This is nusira, nusira. That was nasara. I mean, all the 3 fatha back to back. But in majhul, there is dhamma on the first letter, the second letter has kasra, and the third one changes sometime. But first dhamma, second kasra. Nusira, nusiru, nusirta, nusirtu, nusirtum, nusirna, nusirat. And same, it was yansuru, yansuru. But in mudari will be dhamma on ya, noon is sakin, just like the same it was, and on sad there was dhamma but will be fatha. I mean, you can say that the haraka of ya and sad are changed. The sad haraka given to ya and ya haraka given to sad. It was yansu, became yunsa. Okay. No. Yunsaru, yunsaruna, tunsaru, unsaru, tunsaruna, nunsaru, tunsaru. You have to practice. You have to practice. Like sa'ala became su'ila. Su'ila. Razaqu became ruziqu. Darabat became duribat. Razaqna became ruziqna. Qala became qila. Yes. So ya'khudhu, yu'khadhu.
Ya'khudhu, yu'khadhu.
Same. Ya and the third letter, both of them have the change in haraka. And like the ya haraka has given to third letter and third letter haraka has given to ya. It was ya'khudhu became yu'khadhu. And some change also, like wow, had changed. Okay, nasara yansuru. Nasara yansuru. Passive voice is fast.
Nusra yansura.
Nusira. Tell me A, B, C, D.
C.
Perfect. Nusira yunsaru. Mashallah. Okay, razaqna. Passive voice is razaqna. Passive voice is
Rajuqna.
A, B, C, D.
Rujuqna.
Ruziqna, yes. Mashallah, because it is a test also, so the first answers should be tunsaruna. Translate tunsaruna.
Tunsaruna, you all are being helping.
Mashallah. Yeah, A was perfect. Nusirtu.
I was helping.
Perfect. D is perfect. Yes. Hal tuda'auna.
Naam nadua.
Naam nuda'a. D is perfect. Yes. Good, mashallah. Yes. Hal nusira.
Naam nusra.
Perfect. B is perfect. Alhamdulillah. Okay, this is a homework. Amal. So the let me know the plural of amal.
Amal.
Plural is, we have done.
Yeah,
amal is singular. The plural is a'mal.
Amal.
Yeah, ism is singular. The plural is
ismu.
Asma.
Asma.
And basar is singular. The plural is
أبصاري.
Absar. Perfect. Qalb is singular. The plural is?
قلوب.
Okay. Sa'iqatun is singular. And the plural is?
صيخ.
Sawa'iq. Okay,
وائق.
mashallah. Shaheed is singular. The plural is?
سعيد. شهيد.
Shuhada. Shuhada.
شهداء.
Yes. So you have to, you should have a look again, inshallah. It will help you. And these are the singulars. So you have to just repeat
Practice.
one more time the plurals of all these singulars, inshallah. So passive voice is duriba, yudrabu. Duriba, he was hit. Yudrabu, he is being hit by someone. So you have to make it complete. You have to complete, inshallah. This is your homework. Okay, mashallah. So you are ready for the next level. You will be amazed to see how easy the Quran is, inshallah. Spend another 20 hours and you will have average one new word in a line. Just one new word in a line. Mashallah. See, in this page, just 8 words. In this page, just 17 words. 17 words. 12 words. 12 words. Oh, mashallah. So average one new word in one line. So don't stop the wonderful journey of khayrukum man ta'allama al-Qur'ana wa 'allama, especially when the Quran will become so easy and when the course is also available. Alhamdulillah. Be a teacher yourself. And soon you will be, inshallah. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Min ya Rabbi, subhanaka Allahumma bihamdik, nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.
نتوب إليك.
Alhamdulillah ala dhalik. Wa shukran lahu ala hadha at-takmil.